In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom margins in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on an academic paper, a business report, or a creative project, it's essential to ensure that your document is formatted just how you want it. Custom margins can give your document a unique layout or fit specific guideline requirements. Let's get started on this straightforward process to tailor your Word document precisely to your needs. First, make sure you've opened the Word document you want to adjust. Once your document is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, making note of any text or images that might be affected by changing the margins. Now, direct your attention to the top navigation area, where you'll see a series of tabs that control different aspects of your document. You'll want to click on the tab labeled Layout. In some versions of Word, you might see the term Page Layout instead, but rest assured, they both serve the same purpose. After you've clicked on the Layout tab, look for the Margins button. This button is usually located near the left side of the toolbar and will be one of the first few options you see. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu presenting various preset margin options. These presets include options like Normal, Narrow, Wide, and Mirrored, which can be handy for quick adjustments. However, if these preset options don't meet your specific needs, fear not. You have the option to truly customize your margins. At the bottom of this drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says Custom Margins. Click on this choice, and it will bring up the Page Setup dialog box. Here, you'll see fields where you can enter the exact measurements you desire for your top, bottom, left, and right margins. This flexibility allows you to tailor your document exactly to your requirements. Additionally, if you're planning to bind the document and need a little extra space on one side, you might consider setting a gutter margin. The gutter option is definitely worth exploring as it provides that additional bit of room you might need. Once you have entered your desired margins and checked your gutter settings, there's just one more decision to make. In this same dialog box, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Apply To. This selection allows you to specify whether these margin changes apply to the entire document or just a particular section. It's quite useful if you're working on a document that has different formatting requirements for different sections. Once everything is set up to your liking, simply click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it. Your document now features custom margins perfectly suited to your needs. Remember, taking control of your document's layout is essential for creating professional-looking content that stands out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy formatting!